Good morning, children. How are you all? All are safe and fine? After 2 weeks, we are going to learn again. Past week, you had leave. In that holidays, what you did at home? Did you enjoy your holidays? How did you write your exam? I received only 12 papers. And what about others? You don't want to pass? If you want to go to second standard, write your exams well. And today we are going to learn second term portion. Which term? Second term portion. Tamil Nadu board syllabus for standard 1, A1 and A2 sections. Second term, I am going to revise the first term. In the second term book, we have in index, we can see let us revise page number 61. English book, okay? Today we are going to learn English subject. In your English second term book, page number 61, we are going to revise the first term. Can you understand? Okay. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மில் என்ன இருக்கோ அதை நம்ம செகண்ட் டேர்மில் ரிவைஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். லெட் அஸ் ரிவைஸ் அப்படின்னு பேஜ் நம்பர் 61 இருக்குது. டேக் அவுட் யர் இங்கிலீஷ் புக் அண்ட் டேக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 61 அண்ட் பி ரெடி. பிஃபோர் தட் let us pray. All close your eyes and bow down your heads. Gracious and ever-loving Father in heaven, we thank Thee for this wonderful new day. Thank Thee for the care and protection. Thank Thee for the food, shelter and clothing. Thank Thee for all the blessings. Dear Jesus, in this second term, we are going to learn the first term portions. We are going to revise. Give Thy wisdom from above and help us to learn more and more. Touch each children and shower Thy blessings upon them. Let them learn well and come up in their life. We ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, shall we start? Take page number 61 in second term book. English book, page number 61 in second term book. In that we can see the first one, hello. What is the word? Hello. Let us revise. Hello. What is your name? Tell me your name. My name is Suji. My name is Rakesh. My name is Dinesh. My name is Jenny. My name is Sophia. Like that, you must say your name with sentence. What is your name? My name is Balu. Okay, can you understand? Like that, you must say your name. Ask your mother or father to ask the question and you answer for them. Okay, now go to B1. Match the greeting to the picture. Match the greetings to the picture. You can see 4 pictures: sun and the night time and the daytime. Okay, we can see the words in between the pictures: good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. All these 4 words are given. You have to match it. Okay, number 1 is done for you. Night time, good night is done for you. Which one is morning? Come on, tell me. Look at the picture and tell me. From the clouds, sun is coming out. That is called good morning. Okay, that picture is good morning, so you match it. Next one, good afternoon. Which is good afternoon? Look at the sun is very hot. The first picture is good afternoon. It's showing the big teeth and the big eyes. That is good afternoon. And the below picture is good evening. Can you understand? Like that you match it. Okay, now turn the page to 62. Turn the page to page number 62. In this one, circle the matching small letter in each row. In each row, we can see the small letter, and in the left side, you can see the capital letter. Capital A is given. For that, you have to circle the small letter A. Then B, you must circle small letter B. Then capital C, small c, circle the small c. Capital D, circle the small d. Capital E, circle the small e. Capital F, circle the small f. Capital G, circle the small g. Capital H, circle the small h. Capital I, circle the small I. You have to identify the letters and circle it. Okay, come to the next one. Color and write the correct small letter. In the heart shape, capital letters are given. First one is done for you. All the next letters you have to write it. Capital K is given there. You have to write a small k. Capital L is given. You have to write the small l. These letters you must write it in cursive. Look at the picture. Like how I have written it, like that you must write. நான் எப்படி கர்சிவ் லெட்டர்ஸில் எழுதியிருக்கனோ அதே போல் நீங்களும் கர்சிவ் லெட்டர்ஸில் தான் எழுதணும். Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Okay. If you want to color, you can color it with light color pencil. Then come to page number 63. Page number 63. Use the small letters for the words given below. Use the small letters for the words given below. Some of the pictures are given and capital letter. It is written in the capital letter. For each pictures, the word is written in the capital letter and you have to write it in the small letter. Okay. First one is done for you. STAR, star. First picture is star. It is written there star. But this is not the method we have to write. We have to write it in cursive. See the next picture. What is that? Tree. Capital letters are written. You have to write it in cursive small letter. Look at the line I have written it. TREE, tree. It is written like that. Like this only you have to write it. Okay. This is the cursive writing. Each and every word you must write it very neatly. Next one is umbrella. First one is star, already written. Second one is tree, TREE, tree. Third one is umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. VAN, van. Next one is YAK, yak. Next one is ZEBRA, zebra. WATCH, watch. Then xylophone, XYLOPHONE, xylophone. Okay, come to next one. Match the number with the pictures. Okay. In the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is given, and in the right side pictures are given. You have to match it. Number 1 is done for you. Only one umbrella is there, so it is matched. Number 2 leaves. Number 2 leaves. You have to match it there. Number 3 rats. Number 4 apples. Number 5 pencils. Okay, match it like that. Immediately you have to match it and do the homework. Now turn the page, come to page number 64. Page number 64. Choose the correct word and write in the blank. Choose the correct word and write in the blank. Yellow, orange, green, blue and red. It is written there. Okay. Now you have to look at the picture and say. Monkey has a. Picture is there. What picture is that one? It is a bag. So you must say monkey has a bag. It is yellow in color. Already yellow is written there. You don't need to write there. Monkey has a bag. It is yellow. Come to the next picture. Rat has a car. Look at the picture. What picture is that one? It is a car. Rat has a car. It is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. What is the color of the car? It is blue. Next one. Frog has a balloon. Frog has a balloon. It is red. What is the color of the balloon? The color of the balloon is red. R-E-D. Red. Look at the picture, then only you can identify it. Frog has a balloon. It is red. Bag is in yellow color. Car is in blue color. And balloon is in red color. Now next one. Rabbit has a ball. It is green in color. What is the color of the ball? Green color. Who has a ball? Rabbit has a ball. It is green. What is the color of the ball? Green. Next one. Dog has a hat. What picture is that one? Hat. Dog has a hat. It is orange. What is the color of the hat? The color of the hat is orange. Now what is the color of the bag? Yellow. What is the color of the car? Blue. What is the color of the balloon? Red. What is the color of the ball? Green. What is the color of the hat? Orange. Okay. Next one. Color and find the flower that rhymes with each bee. Okay, bees are given there, flowers are given there. You can color the flowers very lightly and rhyming words are given there. You have to match it with bee and flower. Okay, now see the first bee. P-E-N, pen. Pen rhyming word is hen. H-E-N, hen. Pen, hen. Okay. Second B is C-A-P, cap. Cap, tap. T-A-P, tap. Cap rhyming word is tap. Cap, tap. Now mob, M-O-P, mob. Top, T-O-P, top. Mob, top. Next one, P-A-T, pat. M-A-T, mat. Pat, mat. Next one, N-E-T, net. B-E-T, bet. Net, bet. Next one, P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. Pin, tin. R-O-D, rod. P-O-D, pod. Rod, pod. Once again I'll say pen, hen. Cap, tap. Mop, top. Pat, mat. Net, bet. Pin, tin. Rod, pod. Okay, draw lines from the bee to the flowers. Then you can color the flowers lightly. Okay, come to the next page. Page number 65. Page number 65. Write the missing letters for each word. Write the missing letters for each word. First picture is ant. First one is done for you. A-N-T, ant. In the box, A is written. Then come to the cat, this side, right side. C-A-T, cat. What is the spelling for cat? C-A-T, cat. Next one, fan, F-A-N, fan. In the box you must write N. Next one, P-A-N, pan, P-A-N, pan. Next one, T-A-P, tap, T-A-P, tap. Next is B-A-T, bat, B-A-T, bat. Once again I'll say C-A-T, cat, F-A-N, fan, P-A-N, pan, T-A-P, tap, and B-A-T, bat. Okay, next one. Find the young ones and write the mother's name. Find the young ones and write the mother's name. Inside the circle, young ones are given. Outside the circle, mothers are given. Okay, you have to draw the line to the baby to the mother. I have done it. You can look at the picture and you can draw it. See, the first one is duck. Duckling, duck. Duckling, duck. You have to write D-U-C-K, duck, in the line. Next, piglet, pig. Piglet, pig. Cub, lion. Cub, lion. Calf, cow. Calf, cow. Again, calf, elephant. Baby elephant is called calf and baby cow is called calf. Both calf only. Okay, baby cow is calf and baby elephant is calf. Calf, elephant. Chick, hen. Chick, hen. Once again I'll say duckling, duck. Piglet, pig. Cub, lion. Calf, cow. Calf, elephant. Chick, hen. Chick, hen. Okay, finish drawing the line and you must learn this with spelling. Okay, next one. Go to the next page. Page number 66. Just you have to read this picture. Read aloud. Where is your house? You can repeat after me. Where is your house? These are my pets. You are my friend. This is her bag. This is his book. Once again, where is your house? These are my pets. You are my friend. This is her bag. This is his book. Come to the right side. I want more sugar. There is a tree. Why are you crying? The sun is yellow. A rabbit has a ball. Once again we'll read. You repeat after me. I want more sugar. There is a tree. Why are you crying? The sun is yellow. Rabbit has a ball. Okay, now we have finished the first term revision. You can look at the picture and you can say 3 boys are playing. 1 boy is jumping. 1 girl is doing an exercise. 3 girls are playing with skipping. Like that you can look at the picture and read it. Okay, this one revision is over. You can learn the spelling for the young ones and the mothers. Okay, and the rhyming word also you have to learn. Can you understand, children? Okay, now take out your grammar book. Grammar book, you take it out. Page number 31. Page number 31, Unit 2, We are going to learn Unit 2, Chapter 5, Articles, Pronoun and Adjective. Topic is Article, Pronoun and Adjective. Okay, look at the picture. What you can see in that one? It's raining. 3 children are standing inside the umbrella. Okay, now come to the exercise. Circle the correct word. See the first one. It is a sunny or rainy day. It is a sunny day or rainy day. You can see the rain, no? So it is a rainy day. You have to tick it in rainy spelling, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Second one. The children have an umbrella or a umbrella. A-E-I-O-U is called, all these 5 letters are called vowels. When a vowel letter comes, you have to use an, okay? U is a vowel letter. In front of a vowel letter, you have to use an. So, the children have an umbrella. The children have an umbrella. Take the word an, A-N. Now third one. They are happy. See, 3 children are there. So, it's plural. So, you have to tick the word they. They are happy. Okay, now turn to the next page. Page number 32. Page number 32, articles. Look at the picture and read the words. Look at the picture. See the first picture. A baby. An apple. A snail. An igloo. Now you see here. B. The letter B is a consonant word. So it is written A in front. A is a vowel letter. See the next one, apple picture, A-P-P-L-E, apple. The letter A is a vowel letter. So, it is written an in the front. Snail, S is a consonant letter. So, A is written front. Igloo, I is a vowel letter. So, in front of I, it is written an. When a word starts with a vowel letter, you have to write an in front of the word. When a word starts with a consonant letter, you have to write A in the front of the word. Can you understand? That's only it is given here. Some words begin with A, E, I, O, U. We use an before such words, okay? When A, E, I, O, U, when these letters, with these letters, when a word starts, you have to write an in front of the words. For example, apple, egg, igloo or iron box, owl, umbrella. For these words, you have to write an in front of the words. When a word starts with a vowel letter, you have to write an in front of the word. Okay. Next one. We say an apple, an egg, an ice cube, an orange, an umbrella. Okay. These are the vowel words. Next one. Some words begin with the consonant. We use A. We use A before such words. We say a balloon, a flower, a peacock, a table, a shop. A balloon, a flower, a peacock, a table, a shop. Okay? You should not say a. You have to say a balloon, a flower, a peacock, a table, a shop. Okay? Okay, now come to exercise. Write a or an before these words. First one is done for you. Come to the second one. A-N-T, ant. Here, A is a vowel letter. So, you have to write A-N, an ant. Now third one, L-A-M-P, lamp. L is a consonant letter, so you must write A in front. A, lamp. Number 4, egg. E is a vowel letter, so you have to write A and an in the front. An egg. Now number 5, book. B is a consonant letter, so you must write A in the front. A, book. 6th one, owl. O is a vowel letter, so you have to use A and an in the front. Okay? A cake, a lamp, a book, an ant, an egg, an owl. Okay? Next one. The same thing, only we are going to write it again. Fill the blanks with A or an. Granny wears an overcoat in winter. O is a vowel letter, so it is written A and an. Next one is a pilot flies an aeroplane. P is a consonant letter, so A is written in the front. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Next one, my black hen laid an egg. My black hen laid an egg. Number 4, an eagle was flying in the sky. An eagle was flying in the sky. Number 5, a duck is playing in the pond. A duck is playing in the pond. Number 6, Papa is peeling a papaya. Papa is peeling a papaya. Number 7, Grandpa likes to carry an umbrella. Umbrella, the first letter is U. U is a vowel letter, so you have to write an in the front. An umbrella. A papaya. A duck. An eagle. An egg. A pilot. An overcoat. Okay, can you understand? Now C1. Fill in the blanks with A or an to complete the paragraph. My father is an artist. A is a vowel letter. Artist spelling is A-R-T-I-S-T. A is a vowel letter, so an is written in the front. Next, the same thing, okay? He painted a picture. P is a consonant letter, so you have to write A. A picture of an elephant. E is a vowel letter, so an is written. Mummy gave the picture to grandmother. Grandmother was writing a book. Okay? From the first I will read. My father is an artist. He painted a picture of an elephant. Mummy gave the picture to grandmother. Grandmother was writing a book. Okay, these are the letters. You have to write it in the blank. Now come to the next page, page number 34. Pronouns. Pronouns. Pronoun is nothing but what instead of noun word we have to, for noun words only we are telling it's a pronoun. Okay, instead of noun we are calling pronoun. Instead of noun we are calling pronoun. We use, sorry children, words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. For example, school. For school, what is that? It's a noun. We can say it is pronoun also. Okay, that is the thing. Can you understand? Okay. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Look at the picture and read the sentence. This is Simi. She is 6 years old. This is Simi. She is 6 years old. This is Kitty. It is a cat. For the animals, birds, and for the And for the things, we can use it. We have to use it. And for the girl and for the girls, we have to use she. And for the man or a boy, we have to use he, H-E, he. For the male person, M-A-L-E, male person, we have to use he. And for the female person, that is girls, women, everybody, we have to use she. For the animals, birds and things, we have to use it. Can you understand? This is Simi. Look at the picture. Simi is a girl. For Simi, we have to use she. She is 6 years old. This is Kitty. It is a cat. Kitty is an animal, so we are using it. Next, this is Rohan. He likes to sing. He, for the boy, we have to write he. This is Rogan. He likes to sing. These are children. They are playing. These. There are many children. Okay. It's in plural. Plural means many. For many, we have to use they. Can you understand? They are playing. Like that you have to write. Okay. These are children. They are playing. The word she, he, it and they are used in place of the nouns. Okay. For Simi, Simi is a girl, we are using she. Rohan is a boy, we are using he. Kitty is an animal, so we are using it. Children, children means many children. For children, we are using they. Okay. Words she, he, it and they are used in place of the nouns. Nouns means what? Simi, Rohan, Kitty and children are these words are nouns. For the nouns we are using she, he, it and they. Okay. Can you understand? Words that are used in place of nouns. Instead of writing Simi, Rohan, Kitty, children, we are writing she, he, it and they. These words are called pronouns. Can you understand, children? She, he, it and they. These words are pronouns. Here are some pronouns. It is given there. Okay. One and many. One means only one. Many means more than one. For one person, we have to use I, me, you. You are a girl. You are a boy. I am a girl. I am a boy. Who took my book? It's me. Okay. Adu naan. Me means what? Naan. Okay. Then many. We, us, you. They, them, these. Okay. For many, we have to use these words. More than one person or more than one girl or more than one boy. For that, we have to use. For these people, we have to use we, us, you, they, them and these. Can you understand, children? Okay. Next one. The same thing, only it is given here. The pronoun I and me stands for one person. For one person, you have to use I and me. Okay. The pronoun we and us stands for more than one person. More than one person means it is 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or more than one. Okay. For that, we have to say we and us. Okay. We are girls. 2 girls means you have to say we are girls. We are boys. Like that we have to say. Can you understand? The pronoun you may be used for one or more than one person. Pronoun, the word pronoun you, it is used for one person or more than one person. Okay? The word you வந்து ஒரு personக்கு அல்லது more than one personக்கு use பண்ணலாம். This is grammar, children. That is also English. I should not teach you in Tamil. I have to teach in English only. Please listen carefully. Okay? The pronoun I and me, it stands for only one person. Okay? That is one girl or one boy, like that. One man or one woman, like that. The pronoun we and us, it stands for many, more than one person. Okay, the pronoun he and him stands for a boy. Okay, he is a boy. He is a boy. She is a girl. Ask him, why you did not come to school? You like that you should ask. Okay, for that what they say? Because he is suffering with fever, so he did not come. He did not come. For boy, we have to use he, and for the girl, we have to use she. Can you understand? Okay, now come to the exercise. Write he, she, or it for the pictures. First picture is boy, we have to use he. Second picture also man, we have to write he. Third is a table, it's a non-living thing, so we have to use it. Fourth one is a room, it's a kitchen room or a bedroom or anything. Okay, it's a non-living thing, so we have to use it. And fifth one is a girl, we have to use she. Come to the B1. Underline the pronoun. Underline the pronoun. First one is done for you. We are playing hide and seek. We is underlined. Okay. Number 2. Will you play with us? Will you play with us? It's a question. என்னோடு விளையாடுறியா? Will you play with us? எங்களோடு நீ விளையாடுறியா? அப்படின்றது தான் question. In this sentence, 2 pronoun is there. You, the word you and us is a pronoun. So you have to underline you and us. Number 3, I am hiding behind the bush. I is a pronoun. Underline the letter I. Number 4, they are hiding behind the tree. The word they is a pronoun. Underline the word they. Number 5, it is a neem tree. It is the word it is a pronoun. So you must underline the word it it. Okay, next one and all you can know. You can write the exercises with the help of your parents. Ask your parents to finish the exercises, and I will send this pages in your video or in your WhatsApp group. You can fill it in your grammar book. Can you understand, children? Now it's time. We can finish by this one. Page number 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, till up to page number 40 you have to write the exercises with the help of your father or mother or your brother or your sister. Ask them and you should write this exercises in your grammar book. Up to page number 40 we will finish by this one. Thank you very much, children. Bye bye. See you.